we studied about biosphere reserve, sir.
What is a biosphere reserve name?
Yes, sir. 5 biosphere reserves, sir.
Yeah, in that only we have discussed one, correct? What is that?
Panchmarhi, only no,
Biosphere
sir.
reserve. The specialty of Panchmarhi Biosphere Reserve is it
It
contains
has 2 wildlife sanctuaries and
one national park. So what is the
yes,
wildlife
sir.
sanctuaries names? Shruti?
Sir, 1 second, sir. I take note.
Chaitanya? You are turning the notebook and saying,
Wildlife sanctuary.
we have two kinds of
Panchmarhi
biosphere reserves. One biosphere reserve called as Panchmarhi Biosphere Reserve. In that we have two wildlife sanctuaries. One is called as Panchmarhi Wildlife Sanctuary, and the next one is Bori Sanctuary. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And as well as we have one reservoir. The reservoir name called as Thawa Reservoir. Understand? And we have one national park also. National park also. So that is only called as Satpura National Park. Have you forgot?
No, sir.
No. Yes or no? So let us come to here. In today's class, next we will continue from that. We are going to study a very important and very interesting one called as endemic species. What is that?
Endemic species.
Word called as endemic species. So let us see that. Yeah, okay. So if you don't want, if you want to understand this endemic species, so we must know first what is the meaning of species, and as well as we must know what is the meaning of offsprings. Understand? So later only we will understand what is this endemic species. So let us discuss now first what is the meaning of species, and as well as what is the meaning of offsprings. What is that? Offspring. So if you know the meaning of these two words, then only we can understand the endemic species very well. So let us discuss this first. So if you'll understand here, first, how many of you know offsprings? How many of you
Sir,
know?
yes, sir. In biology, we studied in last year, sir.
That is only I'm asking. Biology. Offspring means future generations. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So
Sir, that is a way of.
Yeah, I will use just to see one more word called as, instead of offspring, I can use fertile offspring. What I can use?
Fertile offspring.
Fertile offspring. Offspring. So please keep heading. Fertile offspring. That is what the first thing we should learn. Fertile offspring. Okay, Chaitanya, are you there in meeting? So let us come here. What is this fertile offspring means? Remember, fertile offspring means, you may see, suppose cow is to get cow baby, correct or not? Dog's baby, human baby. Like every plant, small plants will get from the seeds or something. Like that if you'll take, what is the meaning of this fertile offspring means? A fertile offspring is a baby animal or baby plant which can reproduce its own kind of organisms, understand, in due course of time. Means in a particular period of time, you may see they will produce their own kind of, understanding, a similar kind of organisms, like a small babies, like small animals by animals, like small baby plants by plants. So that is only ways to call as fertile offspring. What we should call?
Respiration also we can call, no, sir.
Yes. So you may observe here, a fertile offspring means you can write. What is that? It is related to the a baby animal or baby plant. Understand? So baby animal or baby plant. Fertile offspring means it may be a baby
animal
or it may be a baby plant. So they will produce the similar type of it. That is what the most important. Understand? So they will produce the similar of it during a given period of time. So that is only which to called as a fertile offspring. So we can make a definition from that. We can define this understanding. Fertile offspring means a fertile offspring, understanding, is a formation of a baby animal or a baby plant which can reproduce its own kind of organisms. That is what the thing you should write. Own kind of organisms, understanding, in a due course of time is only called as fertile offspring. So first you write what is fertile offspring. Fertile offspring. Chaitanya, do you understand what is fertile offspring? Right.
Yes, sir.
Fertile offspring is a baby animal. Fertile offspring. Fertile offspring is a baby animal or baby plant, right? Fertile offspring is a baby animal or baby plant which can reproduce its own kind of, which can reproduce on own animals, reproduce its own kind of organisms, own kind of organisms in a given due time period. Given time period means particular. Suppose if you take human, what is the time period to produce a new offspring?
Sir, 30.
9 months. 9 months is that is once if you'll get the understanding adult age. So what later 9 months is the formation of the full baby and later only it will derive. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is what. So if you want to produce the same kind of organisms in a due course of time, then that is only called as fertile offspring. Understand? So now from this fertile offspring, let us discuss the species. So what is the meaning of species? Next, what is that is what we are going to study now. So what is the meaning of species? So now we have understand what is the fertile
different kinds of species.
now,
Animals.
let us come to the species. What is the meaning of species? Can anybody, Shruti? Geography also. will come. So what is the-
Sir, species are those which grow in a particular place.
yeah, no. A species means if you take a group, suppose elephants group will be there, human group will be there, like the lions group will be there, like that. What is the meaning of species means? Species is a group of same kind of organisms, which can interbreed to produce fertile offspring. Do you understanding? All the humans are one group.
Yeah.
All the animals, if you take animals, understand, suppose human one place, tiger family one place, dog family one place, cat family one place, cow family another species, peacock another species, cockroaches another species, like mangoes another species. So if you take sunflower another one, lotus another one. So if you take all these all are the species, understanding? They are the group of same kind of organisms. They will live together and they will interbreed themselves, like a male and female interbreed and understanding in reproduction, interbreed themselves. They produce a new offsprings, understanding, fertile offsprings. So that is only called as species. Means as group of similar characters will living in a same place to produce the fertile offsprings. That is only is to called as what? Called as what?
Species.
Species. Understand? So that is what. Write it. A species is a group of same kind of organisms. A species is a group of same kind of organisms. What is the use of these organisms? To produce,
Offspring.
that is same kind of organisms which can interbreed, organism which can interbreed means themselves, among themselves the reproduction will take place. Interbreed to reproduce fertile offsprings is only known as what? Species. So examples you can write. What is the examples you can write? Species. You can
Sir,
write hundreds of examples.
Sir?
You have hundreds of examples. What is that?
Yes, sir. Plants.
Human. First, man. You can write human or man. Next, tiger.
Animals.
Animals like a dog. Understanding. Next, lotus.
Plants.
Next, right? Sunflower. Understanding. Like etc., etc. You can write hundreds of examples. Correct or not? In our surrounding alone, we can write hundreds of examples. Correct or not?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So these all are the examples of species. If you take human is one species, tiger is another species, dog is another species. Understanding? Mango is another species, lotus is another species, pineapple is another species. Like that, different. Everything is a different species. So if you take in this world, understanding in this earth, plants in the understanding today's plants and animals in the understanding in the earth, in our surroundings, in our universe. Understanding if you take, so there are about 6 lakh species of animals. How many?
Flag.
6 lakh species of animals and 4 lakh species of plants in the world today. In the first, understand. So, if you'll observe at the today's date, we have around how many lakhs? 6 lakh species of animals. That is what the count, you should note it down. So, the animal species are how many?
Flag.
6 lakhs are there.
Animal species only are also plant species, sir.
And the plant species is 4 lakh.
Okay, sir. Totally 10 lakh.
Yeah. So this many species are there at present, but before even more, millions of species, but it is all destroyed now, extended, endangered. Understand? So these are 4 lakh species are there. Do you understanding, Chaitanya? So this is the count of present animal species and plant species. So this is all about what is species and what is fertile offspring. So what is species? A species is a group of same kind of organisms which can interbreed. Interbreed, what is the meaning of interbreed? Interbreed means same kind of organisms will involve in reproduction. Understanding? Reproduction. That is called as interbreeding. Do you understanding? The male and female will involve in reproduction so that they will reproduce fertile offsprings. That is only called as species. So what is the meaning of fertile offsprings? It is the new baby. Understand? Baby animal or baby plant which can reproduce its own kind of organisms is given due time period. That is only called as fertile offspring. Do you understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now, but if you observe here, our today's concept is something different. That is called as endemic and species. Now you know the meaning of species. What is the meaning of species? We have studied. What is the meaning of species?
Species is a group of same kind of organisms which can interbreed to reproduce fertile offspring.
Yes, very good. So, endemic species. Endemic species. So, you know species. Chaitanya, what is the meaning of species? You understand? Same kind of. Same kind of
organisms which
organisms. Understand? So same kind of organisms living together to produce reproduce fertile offsprings. That is only called as species. We have understand. So now what is the meaning of endemic means? Now what is the meaning of endemic? Anybody? Suppose understand. Suppose you can take Chaitanya. Chaitanya belongs to Andhra, particularly in Kadapa region. So now you both people belongs to particularly Pudukkottai region. Tamil Nadu also Pudukkottai region. So what is from this you may understanding? I am also belongs to Andhra, Chittur. That is my particular area. That is my own area. So that is what we can say. What is the meaning of endemic? From this you may understand.
their own places. Their own places.
Lord Tirumala, which is existed in a particular area called as Tirupati Tirumala in Andhra Pradesh. So that is
native places, sir.
Yeah.
Native places is
Native place. Understand? That is only called as endemic. Endemic means something which
origin.
Yeah, something which exists in a particular area or specific area is called as endemic. Do you understand that? Endemic means which can exist in a particular area, which can exist in a particular area, or I can also call it as what? Specific area. Specific area is only called as endemic. Do you understand, Ingra?
Yes, sir.
So now, by remembering the meaning of this, now if you really understand this, you will yourself you can form the definition. So what is the definition of endemic species? By this time you may understand it. What is the meaning of definition? Generally you can say, Shruti, Chaitanya, what is the meaning of endemic species? You may understand.
The meaning of that.
So endemic species means those species, it may belongs to plants or it may be belongs to animals, which are found exclusively in a particular area. Is it yes or no? So they are not found in any other. Suppose if you take apple, apple is found in Simla. Is it found in any other area?
No, sir.
Is it found in Pudukkottai? No. Apple is found, but apple tree is not found. Is it yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is only called as endemic species are restricted to a certain area. Understand? So these endemic species are not found naturally anywhere else. Means if you go any other areas, these kind of animals or plants which will never exist in any other by naturally. Artificially you may understanding take it and you may create the artificial conditions, you may keep it. But if you take these endemic species are particularly those species which are existed, which are found exclusively in a particular area. That is only called as endemic species. Do you understand, Ingra? So if you take particular type of the plants and animals which are found only in a particular area are said to be endemic to that area. What we can call? They are called as endemic to that area. Do you understanding all of you? So now, if you take a particular type of animal or plant, understanding, species may be endemic to a particular zone or a state or a country. Understand? So that kind of one we is to call as endemic of that particular area. Suppose you take sal. Do you know sal? Wild mango. Last class I have told you, which is present in where? Panchmarchi Biosphere Reserve. Is it yes or no? Sal.
Yes, sir.
Sal means wild mango. What we should call?
Yes. Wild mango. Salt.
Understanding. So plants, sal if you take, which is known as, understand, one kind of mango, sal and the wild mango, which are found naturally only in the Panchmarhi Biosphere Reserve area. So that is why we can say this sal and this like wild mango are the two examples of the endemic flora. Flora means what?
Flora means
Flora.
plants. Plant.
So these are the endemic flora of Panchmarchi Biosphere Reserves. Do you understand, Ingra? Do you understand that now?
Sir.
So if suppose I will ask you, what is the flora of endemic species of Panchmarchi Biosphere Reserve? So by the time you should say, one of the plant is sal plant and another one is what? Understanding? You can say what? Wild mangoes. What is that?
Wild mango.
Mango.
Fern.
Understand? So like that, if you take, I will show you that how that wild mango is present. How many of you know gained squirrel? What is the meaning of gained? Can you able to say, Johan? Gained.
Gain profit.
Gained means
Profit.
very big one. Very big object.
Oh,
is
gained.
big. Yeah, gained. G-I-N-D, gained animal. Gained animal,
Yes,
gained tortoise, like that you may heard, correct? Have you heard that word?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the meaning?
Yes, sir.
of gained? Johan?
Sir.
Sir?
Suppose, now, basically the squirrels will be small size. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So if you see something which is different because of some problem or something, it may be born very big in size and it is grown big in size. That kind of animals we used to call as gained animals. What we should call?
Gained animals.
Gain.
Gained animals. G-I-A-N-D, gained. Understand? So Hulk, do you know, have you watched the Hollywood movie Hulk?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Hulk is not, he is a human only, but he's not like a normal human, correct? He's very big in size, everything different, everything looks. So that is why he is called as gained man. What we can call? Gained man, which is very big in size. Understand?
Sir, they call it as giant, sir.
Gained.
Giant.
Gained or gained, what our spelling is G-I-A-N-D, gained. Okay, wa?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
now
sir.
if
Okay, sir.
we take this Panchmarchi Biosphere, we have a, understand, endemic fauna. Fauna means what, Chaitanya? Fauna, endemic fauna.
Animals, sir.
And endemic animals. So if we take this one, the gained squirrel, flying squirrels. Squirrels will fly also. Flying
Yes, sir, I
squirrels
heard about that.
and bison are the three examples of endemic fauna. Do you understand now? What is the examples of endemic fauna in Panchmarchi Biosphere?
Flying squirrel.
Giant.
Squirrel, flying squirrel, and we can say bison. What is the meaning of bison? Do you know bison animal? Anybody have you watched it?
Bison.
No, sir.
Bison. I will show you. You may observe. Bison.
But I know that
B-I-S-O-N,
flying
bison.
squirrels, sir.
Bison. Somewhere if
It's
you have,
also like yak.
Yeah. Bison. Like Bahubali movie. Have you watched Bahubali movie?
Yes, sir.
Bahubali movie.
Yes, sir. I watched.
In that Ballala Deva fight with one bull. Bison.
Yes, sir.
That is. This
Yes,
is
sir.
called as bison, which is used to found in Panchmachi biosphere. Do you understand, Ikra?
Yes, sir.
This is what
sir.
called as understanding. This is called as bison bull. Understand? So also you can see flying squirrel. I will show you flying squirrel. So if you
Sir,
say
it has some wings, sir.
yeah. So this is called as flying squirrel. Have you watched it? This is called as
Yes,
flying,
sir.
Yes.
which is also
Yes, sir,
found
yes,
in
sir.
where? Which is also found in only
Panchmachi biosphere.
biosphere. And also you can see gained squirrel. Gained squirrel. This is called as gained squirrel. Can you able to see, Shruti? This is actually this also we can found when we are going to the Tirumala by walk. We can see this in the trees. Have you noticed it? I have watched it directly. Also, I have seen this one while I am going to the Tirumala. I have watched this. It is there in the trees, but it is usually found in
Panchmachi biosphere.
biosphere. Do you understand, Ira?
Yes, sir.
That is. So these three animals are called as what? These three animals are called as
Endemic,
fauna. Endemic fauna or endemic animals of Panchmachi Biosphere Reserve. As well as I will show you sal plant. Sal plant. So sal plant, if you'll observe, this is called as sal plant. So you can see here, red sandal looks like a sal plant. So this is called as sal plant. Have you noticed it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this plant is called as sal plant, which is present only in Panchmachi biosphere.
Panchmachi biosphere.
Yes. This kind of flower you may see. This is called as sal. Do you understand, Ra? Sal plant. This is. So this plant name is called as sal plant, as well as wild mango. You may observe wild mango. So wild mango means you can see here. So this is called as wild mango plant. 1 minute I will show you. This is like normally also. You can see. So like normal mango tree only, but it is grown in there. So this is very, very long height they will be present. So these are called as wild mangoes. Okay, da?
Yes, sir.
So these are the, what we should call, the sal and wild mangoes are called as
Endemic
Endemic flora of
Panchmachi
Panchmachi.
Biosphere Reserve and gained squirrel. Next one, flying squirrel and
bison.
Bison. Actually, bison are the endemic flora of the
Flora. Sir, fauna.
endemic fauna of the Panchmachi Biosphere Reserve. Understand? So now first you should write endemic species. Write it. Endemic species definition. Endemic species are those species. Endemic species are those species endemic species are those species of what? Of plants and
Animals.
animals. Do you understand, Ega? Plants and animals. Those species, plants which are found exclusively. Which are found exclusively in particular area. Is called as what? Endemic species. Understanding, Ra?
Yes, sir.
So examples. What you can write examples, Ruti?
That
Sal
sal and wild mango
Yeah, sal and wild mango.
and fern, sir.
First plants you should write. Sal and wild mango. 1 minute, it is not responding. Just wait a second. You write sal and wild mango are the endemic flora or fauna? Endemic flora, correct?
Flora, sir.
Flora. Understanding? Wild mango.
So fern is also an Flora only, no, sir.
What?
Fern.
Huh?
Fern, sir. FERN.
Sir, can you
Fern.
scroll up, sir?
Fern also. Yes, that also. Sal and wild mango. Teak also you can take. Understanding? But teak is available everywhere. Understand? That is. So this is. So sal and wild mango are the endemic
Flora of Panchmachi
endemic
biosphere.
flora means endemic plants of Panchmarhi biosphere reserve.
Biosphere.
Biosphere reserve. Next one. Game.
Bison.
Giant squirrel and flying squirrel, bison,
Next one, flying squirrel,
Flying squirrel.
and bison. Actually, bison pig we can call. Chinese, they will used to eat the bison pig. Means very big in size. Like in the sense of very flesh is too much of that. That is called as bison pig. If somebody is too much of over fat, understanding like a heavy body, we can call them as a bison. Bison means that is like an animal. Do you understand that? That is.
Yes, sir.
Bison. So bison are the
endemic fauna.
Endemic fauna, or we can call it as
Endemic animals.
Endemic animals of
Panchmahi biosphere.
Panchmarhi biosphere reserve. That is not it all. Understanding? Yes,
Yes,
or no?
sir.
So that is only called
sir.
as understand. So the animals or else the plants which are belongs to a particular area, which are found only in that area, is called as endemic species. So these endemic species are not found naturally anywhere else. That is what you should remember. These endemic species not found naturally anywhere else. Do you understand, Igra?
Yes, sir.
That is what you should remember. So this is all about understand. This is all about what? Endemic species. Now, suppose you see, so many factors if we'll take, understanding because of human activities, because of some other so many factors. So the number of factors which are endangering this existence of endemic species, if we'll take suppose destruction of forest, understanding. So we people are, what is happening? We are cutting the forest, we are killing it. So that what is happening? So this endemic species are going to disappear from that particular area. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is it yes or no? And as well as you can see, increasing human population. What is happening? Because of human population, what is happening?
Global warming.
So global warming not. We people are first what? We are cutting the vicinity of forest
Yes, sir.
reserves.
For
Understand
resource we are
that,
cutting down.
affecting the natural habitat of endemic species and endangering their existence. Is it yes or no? So these endemic
Yes, sir.
species becomes endangering because of our human activities. So that is why, understanding. So because of this, some of these endemic species may vanish near in future. Understanding. So many already vanished. Means so many become endangered because of our human activities. So if the human population is increasing, keep on increasing, or else the new species, introduction of new species and increasing of population. So the forest reserves, understanding, which are affecting the natural habitats of endemic species and endangered their existence, means they are going to extend completely away from this earth soon. So like that, we have so many endangered and understanding existent species which are going to understanding disappear from this earth soon, and already some are endangered and some animals are going to extinct soon. So that is all we'll study in the coming modules. So this is all about the biosphere reserves and what is endemic species. So if you understand the biosphere reserves very well, so the next type of protection of animals and plants, what we should call that? What we should call that?
Wildlife sanctuary.
Conservation of plants and animals.
Wildlife. That is only the second way of protecting or conservation of plants and animals is called as what? Wildlife sanctuary. What we should call?
Wildlife.
Wildlife
Wildlife
sanctuary.
sanctuary. So what is the meaning of wildlife sanctuary? Anybody? Wildlife. So we know meaning of wildlife. Those who are the animals or plants which
Plants and
are
animals.
naturally is called as wildlife. Is it yes or no? Wildlife sanctuary. Sanctuary spelling SAN.
CHCETURY.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Sanctuary. SANC.
Sir, it's wrong, sir.
SANCTUARY.
Sir, you have written as sanctuary.
Sorry. Yeah. TUARY. TUARY. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
SANCTUARY. Is it okay, da?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
So now, so what do already we know that wildlife means which will grow naturally, which grows naturally. Is it yes or no?
Sir.
Naturally, or which can live naturally. Live naturally. This is regarding plants, and this is regarding what?
Animals.
This is regarding animals. Now, then what is the meaning of this wildlife sanctuary? What is the meaning of wildlife sanctuary? Anybody?
Sir,
Chaitanya?
wildlife.
They're like keeping every animals in the forest and
What is the meaning of sanctuary means? The sanctuary is a word which means that a place of safety. What is the meaning of sanctuary?
Place of safety.
A place of safety. So now you join the tour, you can understand what is the meaning of wildlife sanctuary.
protecting that.
A place of safety. A place of safety.
Safety.
So now you join this tour, you will get the meaning of wildlife sanctuary. Suti, Chaitanya,
Yes.
wildlife sanctuaries, you can join.
They're,
The place of what?
it is the safety,
You can join.
a
So I
safe
can
place
say
for
the
animals.
wildlife sanctuary means what? The place where wild animals and wild
Live
plants
safely.
remain safe. Wild plants and wild animals are remain safe. That is only called as wildlife sanctuary.
Wildlife
I can
sanctuary.
say simple definition. Wildlife sanctuary means what it is? A place
Of animal safety.
where wild animals, wild animals, or else you can write wild animals and plants remains
Safely.
safely. So that is only called as wildlife sanctuary. So or else you can write wildlife, where a place where wildlife remains safely. So that is only used to called as what? Wildlife sanctuary. So
Sanctuary.
I can say simply. So sanctuaries means what? Which are protecting wildlife. That's all. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Which are protecting the wildlife is only called as wildlife sanctuary. So from this we can understand and we can form a definition. What is the meaning of this one mean? Hey, from whom they are protecting? From whom they are giving safety? From whom they
Sir,
are
from predators.
from predators. Predators means who is here? Predators means not
Humans.
Sir, we only, sir, humans.
we only. Understanding means from no hunting. Understanding no killing. Understanding no exports. Understanding no transportation of animals. No transportation of plants. No cutting of plants. No hunting or killing of plants. Poaching of plants. So that is only called as where they will be remains safe. Understanding? Remains safely or safe you can write. That is the correct word. So remain safe is only called as understanding wildlife. So now wildlife sanctuary. So now that is what the definition regards. So they are giving safety from whom? From no hunting.
Predators.
Understanding. So no hunting, understanding, no exporting or no poaching. So that is only called as wildlife sanctuary. So from that we can write the definition. So definition of wildlife sanctuary, write it. Do you understand, Chaitanya?
Sir.
Definition. So what is your wildlife sanctuary? Your home. Is it yes or no?
Sir.
Johan? Is
Sir,
it yes?
not wildlife sanctuary, sir. Sanctuary,
It's
sir.
okay, yeah. We are also wildlife animals only, correct? At past.
Sir.
Yeah, it is our safety place. So which is our sanctuary? Which is our sanctuary?
Our home.
Our Correct or not? A place of safety. That is only we used to call it as sanctuary. So that is only called as our home. So now, so from this I can write a definition of wildlife sanctuary. Write it. A wildlife sanctuary is a protected area. Wildlife sanctuary is a protected area. Protected. What is that?
Protected area.
Area of land. Which is created for the which is created for the wild animals, in their natural environment, like forest. Wild animals in their natural environment, like forest. So that this forest only we used to call as reserve forest. What we should call?
Reserve forest.
Reserve forest. So there is no kind of thing. So we are protecting from there where therefrom no hunting is permitted. In which no hunting is permitted. In which no
Wildlife sanctuary.
no hunting is permitted. No hunting is permitted. Do you understanding, Sulti? Chaitanya? That is called as definition of wildlife. Please note it down. If it is completed, you tell. So that is called as wildlife understanding sanctuary. So till now we have studied two things. One is biosphere reserve and the next one is wildlife sanctuary, both. So now let us see what is this wildlife sanctuaries, where they are, how many are there in India, what they are, that is all we'll study. Do you understand, Ra? So now observe very carefully. This sanctuary will provide understanding everything like a natural habitat, how they are living in a forest without protection. The same way we will keep the same atmosphere, suitable conditions for all the living conditions for their wild animals, and we will live in them and they will sustain like a naturally. We don't need to feed them and all. Suppose if we take zoo or national park and all, we have to give the feeding, understanding, like we have to provide the food for the animals. But if we take the wildlife sanctuaries, we no need to provide. Just we'll give the protection from the hunting or else export or transportation of animals and plants and all. Just themselves, they will grow naturally. Just we are creating like a protection we are giving. That's all. So that is what you have to remember. So in wildlife sanctuary, killing and capturing of wild animals is strictly prohibited. Understand? So that is what you may understand. If you are visiting any kind of forest for trekking and all, understand, you may see restricted area like that. You can see restricted zone, a restricted forest like that. Boards we can see. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that is what we used to call as wildlife sanctuaries. While you are traveling in somewhere particularly, understanding in a forest, reserve forest and all, some particular areas nobody is allowed. They will keep the entrance board. This is a wildlife sanctuary. Here, understanding, some dangerous animals are there. So be very safely, travel very fastly like that. Night time don't travel like that. Boards we used to see on the roadside. Is it yes or no? That is. So that kind of environments is called as wildlife sanctuary. So in this wildlife sanctuary, what we will do means we will provide protection and as well as suitable living conditions to the wild animals in their natural habitats. Do you understand, Ingra?
Yes, sir.
Suppose you see summer and all, they may be because of dry season, they maybe don't have water availability. So we won't go and will keep it. We will create some kind of water ponds, or else we'll create some water bodies so that animals will go and will drink the water from that. Do you understand? Like that we will help. We'll give the protection as well as all the living conditions for the sustainability of wildlife. So that is only ways to called as wildlife sanctuary. So in this region, nobody